Today, the governor signed into law a series of surrogacy bills that will make it easier for Michiganders to become parents. CBS News Detroit's Andres Gutierrez is on your block in Royal Oak with the details.
For more than 30 years, Michiganders who wanted to start a family using a surrogate could find themselves facing jail time or even a fine. As of today, that is no longer the case. In 2015, Tammy Myers from Grand Rapids was diagnosed with breast cancer around the time she and her husband Jordan were looking to conceive a second child.
The first words out of my mouth were, "How long do I have? And can I have another child?" So I'm grateful that I asked those questions because I was put in touch with the right people to ensure that I could preserve my fertility.
Through a surrogate, they had twins, but because of the law at the time, the Myers had to go to court to adopt their biological children.
We'd already successfully had an 8-year-old child and were able to raise her. CPS was never involved or anything, but we were scrutinized to FBI background checks and doing home visits and all sorts of other things that a normal family, if you're just conceiving naturally, would never have any of those types of issues.
It was a nearly 2-year legal saga that Governor Gretchen Whitmer doesn't want any other family in Michigan to experience. On Monday, she signed the Michigan Family Protection Act to protect families born under IVF and ensure LGBTQ+ parents are treated equally.
We knew we had our reproductive rights intact until the fall of Roe v. Wade. We were much more avant-garde than other states, and yet this remained on the books, and so it's good to finally clear this arcane, cruel law off the books.
The new laws set standards to protect the biological parents, the surrogate, and the child.
Infertility is crippling. It's like being a bird without wings. People don't understand that. And for our the LGBTQ community, it's equally important for them to be able to secure their rights to their children, and we are fighting for you as well.
I hope that our Democratic allies and our Republican allies will support us going forward, and that this is something that they will hold in high regard and truthfully fight to keep this in place for families like mine in the future.
In Royal Oak, Andres Gutierrez, CBS News, Detroit.